all of you. I am magician Paridhi, and I have finally found out the secret of the potion of color, and I'm going to share it with all of you. For making this potion, I have also used a spell book. For this so I'm going to use the spell book. The ingredients for this experiment are red cabbage, warm water, 2 transparent glasses, a bowl, a plate to keep the red cabbage when you take it out, vinegar and baking soda. So the first step we have here is to soak the red cabbage in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes and then take it out. And because we didn't have much time, I've already done that. Now we have to pour the water in 2 glasses. Now, as you can see, that the red cabbage has left its pigment, which is purple in color. We have to add vinegar now. So, do you think it will change its color or remain the same?
Change its color.
So, let's see. As you can see, the pigment changed to pink. Which acid, base, or salt?
Acid.
You all are right. This represents that vinegar is an acid. Now we have to put some baking soda into the another glass. Now the color has changed to blue. What is this?
Base.
You all are right. So from this we got to know that vinegar. Is an acid as it was pink in color, and baking soda is blue because it was a base.